Meet the Bobcat B730 R Series TLB, Bobcat's latest generation of backhoe loader, a result of our engineering know-how and valuable customer feedback. The B730 is your complete solution for any job site, with a combination of power, comfort, operator-friendly controls, robust build, efficient operation, and of course, easy maintenance. The 75 kilowatt Perkins engine provides ample power for difficult applications and ensures low fuel consumption, providing powerful breakout forces, high lift capacities, and more, giving any job site a major boost. The cabin is offered with or without air conditioning and is designed around operator comfort at all times, providing outstanding visibility thanks to the large windows, spacious seat rotation, and great air circulation. Consoles offer intuitive and simple operation for all operator profiles in both working positions. The intuitive dashboard you'll find on the right side of the cabin, and it provides accessible controls and easy to find switches. The B730 offers standard features such as return to dig function, hammer piping, USB charging port, and 8 work lights. Options such as an extendable boom, multi-purpose bucket with pallet forks are also available. The one-piece engine cover makes daily and regular maintenance really easy, with all the fuses and relays located in one place for easy access. The Bobcat signature heavy-duty front grille frame, cast iron king post, non-corrosive hard plastic fuel tank with a heavy-duty guard, the reinforced storage box cover, and rear light guard eliminates damage of the machine and also makes the B730 ready for the toughest environments. Bobcat develops every machine to the highest standards of quality and durability, which is why our standard warranty provides 24 months or 2,000 operating hours of coverage. The Bobcat B730 TLB is built to last.